How long have we been walking here, Patrick?
Well, that depends on who you ask.
Why?
Well, 'cause if you ask someone with a watch, they might be able to tell you.
Are you getting hungry?
Yeah! How'd you know?
Oh, I could hear your stomach growling. I thought for a second it might be some kind of scaly monster coming to eat us.
That's funny. Couldn't have been my stomach growling, though.
It couldn't?
Nope. I had its vocal cords removed before the trip.
Well, I could have sworn that I heard...
SpongeBob, I heard it! I heard growling!
No, that time it was my stomach.